Sound under the direction of Dr. Michael Magruder, Bowman Gray Stadium. This is Ram Country, baby. I need my family to turn up with me today. Drum majors, Trey Jenkins, Kendall Demina, and Chris Wilson. Is your band ready to take the field? Give it up for your Red Sea of Sound. On behalf of our Chancellor, Dr. Benita Brown, Provost, Dr. Anthony Graham, Dean of the College, Dr. Monty Bott, and Chair of the Music Department, Dr. Myra Brown, it is time for the Winston-Salem State Red Sea of Sound to do what they do and give you a true halftime extravaganza. Welcome the band as they give you a show, highlighting some music greats, solidifying our place. The released in 1985 on the album Rest